Hello everybody, welcome back to This Old Cook. If it's your first time here, just welcome. Today we're going to make chicken fajitas using my super secret fajita spice mix that I shared with you the other day. So we're going to see what's in it and we'll crack on and get it done. Right, so let's have a little look at what we got here then in the ingredients. I have 500 grams of chicken breasts. I have a green pepper and a red pepper, sliced obviously. One medium onion, a medium I say about the size of a tennis ball, and that's sliced. I add a little bit of soy sauce into the dish when I'm cooking it. Makes a big difference. And I've got here 45 grams of the fajita spice mix that we made yesterday. I'll put a link in the description to that recipe down below. So I just want to show you how I cut the chicken, just one of them, and then we'll take it from there. What I like to do, because I don't want big fat chunks of chicken, so I slice it through the middle using a nice sharp knife, like you're going to make a butterfly chicken breast, just like that. And then we want to cut it across the grain, so not lengthways, but this way. So just into pieces that are about a centimetre thick. It looks a bit rough, but trust me, it's all good. If you have any bits and bobs you don't like the look of, then you know what, just cut them off. I'm just going to bob them into my bowl. That bit. Okay, so I'll get on and do the other one and show you the next little bit. Right, so what I like to do here is, now I've got my chicken cut up, is just to put a couple of teaspoons of our fajita mix into the chicken. Not all of it, because the salt in it will draw out far too much moisture. And just give it a nice little mix. Remember me saying to you how the colour looked a bit light on the mix, like when we were making it? Well, you can see now, once you add it to the chicken, and we just need to let this sit on the chicken for maybe 20 minutes or so, probably no more. You see how the colour's completely changed now. So that's now ready to cook. So we're going to go over to the cooker and we're gonna cook it with some exciting equipment. And sometimes it gets really smoky. So oh look, what's that? Oh, it's my remote. So just join me in a minute. Right, so here we go. Chicken fajitas. I've got my sizzle plate on this external thing. I don't like to put that on an induction hob. I'm just not sure how it will react. So I do it on this little camping gas stove, and I've got my wok on, preheating to very hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about a drizzle of just vegetable oil. That's all good. Now note in which order I put this stuff in. So firstly, I'm going to add onion, give a little stir. Now add your chicken. Give it a good stir. Leave it on quite high heat. Just keep it moving on a high heat. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a splash of uh, light soy sauce. It's a bit noisy, but the smell is incredible. Just smells fantastic. Just keep it moving. So this is on an induction cooker. If you're on gas or whatever, I can't really say. It's on quite a high heat, number 12 on my induction cooker. So I'm going to turn it up to 13. I'm going to add the peppers. I've turned it up to 13. Going to add the peppers. So now I'm going to turn it down to 10, and I'm going to add the remainder of the chicken fajita mix. That'll do. Give it a good stir. And that's cooking. The salt and so on in the fajita mix will kind of draw the moisture out of the peppers and so on. So I'll stick with this, and we'll just keep on going. Just keep it moving. The smell is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. I prefer to do it in a wok. It's just much easier and much nicer. I can't tell you how good that smells, but it's absolutely fantastic. Because we cut the chicken quite thin, in actual fact, the chicken is cooked. Okay, I'm going to turn that off now, and I'm going to turn up my sizzle dish to maximum on my little camping cooker, and then we're going to sizzle this, and you will see it. Let's go. Can you see? Just listen to that. That is so good. That smells fantastic. Give this a go and see how you get on. And if you like it, let me know in the comments down below. It is good. I generally serve it with some soft tortillas or some flour wraps or whatever. So I'm going to get this ready. I'll take a couple of pictures, and we're going to eat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.